Problems of questionnaire designing. Avoid ambiguous, unclear technical items. Make sure the questions are not too complicated or difficult to be answered by your subjects. Do not ask two questions in one question. For example, the following question is unanswerable. Do you support the privatization of electricity in Sudan? Or do you support the continuation of the present policy? Avoid long items. Avoid negative and double negative items. Avoid biased questions. The interview. An interview is one way of administering a face-to-face questionnaire. To have an effective interview, follow these steps. Explain how you choose your subjects. Choose a suitable place and time. Prepare appropriate questions by stating the objectives of the interview, identifying the population and choosing the study sample, writing the interview questions and they are going to be asked. Effectuate the interview by practicing interviewing a small sample, administering the interview. Record the interview results right then. Tests. There are two types of tests, criterion reference tests and norm reference tests. The criterion reference tests are used to compare the performance of students in a normal distribution with each other, while the norm reference tests are used to find out what the students have achieved when studying a certain material. Like other tools of data gathering, the reliability and validity should be ensured for these tests. The methods of analysis. How you are going to analyze your data, how your hypotheses will be tested, and what computer programs will be used should all be detailed. If any section of this chapter is questionable, your findings will be doubtful. Reliability. Reliability means consistency. Pearson correlation coefficient. Methods of testing reliability. 1. Test-retest method. Remember length of time. It is also called coefficient of stability. Parallel forms method. Equivalent forms A and B forms. It is widely used. The longer the period between the two tests, the lower the reliability coefficient. 3. The split half method. Only one test is needed. Here we have T odd-numbered and even-numbered scores from each paper answered correctly. It is called coefficient of internal consistency. We use Spearman-Brown formula to make up for dividing the test into two halves. R equals 2 rho. 1 plus rho. R equals reliability of the original test. Rho equals reliability of odd even numbers. E.g., R equals 0.84, so 2.84/1 plus 0.84 equals 0.91.